Okay, I'm gonna see what I can get here. I'm riding this bike of mine along this dirt track on the back end of Quesada. Hello, sir. Hola.
Hola, hola.
¿Cómo está? Okay, so it's I have to be very careful because it's a dirt track here, and you can see some rocks on one side above me, and down the bottom here there's like a ravine. So I have to be careful that I keep this bicycle really still and don't run off the track. Wow, it's kind of tough here. Into the ravine. Okay, let's see. Just a few, it's very dangerous. Very few seconds of this. It's after 7, about 7:15. June the 6th. 2022. I have to keep steady here. There's the valley down the bottom, looking down at oh dear, Rojales, coming down from Quesada up there. Okay, let me try again for a few more seconds. It's a very pleasant afternoon. Let's get back on my bike if I can. Okay, here we go again. I have to go really slowly. It's rough. It's rough here. The track. I had to keep it dead still and keep apply one of the brakes here. Oh my goodness. Really steady. Does it. Very dangerous. Woo! Okay, I better close this thing down. It's too risky. It's not worth it. Okay, all right. I think I better walk just a little further. It's gonna be shaky here, this video. There's the little valley down below. Let me just walk on down here and just close it down. Here's the bike. I'm pushing the bike here. Well, that's where I'm coming from, that little hill up there. I was up there a few moments ago filming. Right. All right, okay, just a couple more seconds. I'll be closing this segment down. Okay, then I get back on my bike. Yeah, that's the road I'm going to head to. I'm heading to get home. I could walk down this track here, but wait, before it gets to the road, it's very precipitous. It's hard to get down. I've come up there several times, but I couldn't take the bike down there. Okay, so I'm going to go the long way around, which is this way. Okay, let me close this down. Hasta luego. Okay, bye-bye.